Welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix low disk space on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. This issue can slow down your system and prevent updates or apps from working properly. First, open Settings, then go to System and click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense to automatically clean temporary files and free up space. Next, click on Temporary Files and select all unnecessary items, then remove them. Make sure to review downloads before deleting anything important. Now go back and open installed apps and uninstall programs you no longer use. Sort by size to quickly find large applications taking up space. You can also move large files like videos and images to another drive or external storage. Empty your recycle bin to permanently delete files you no longer need. Next, open Disk Cleanup by searching for it in the Start menu. Select your main drive and choose System Files, then remove old updates and cache files. Finally, restart your computer and check your available storage again. Your system should now have more free space and run more smoothly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.